In this video, I am going to show you how to create multiple YouTube channels under one Gmail account. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified my future videos. Let's jump into it. Just click on profile icon and scroll down to the setting. Click on that. Then just come to add or manage your channel. Just click on second one. As you can see here, you can see my other primary YouTube channels. Just click on create a channel. Now you can give your new YouTube channel name here. And click on this small box here and again click on create. Just go to profile icon over here to check that new YouTube channel that we create now and go to switch account. As you can see here is the YouTube channel that we create now. Just click on that. This is how to create multiple YouTube channels under one Gmail account. If you like my video, make sure click that subscribe button and comment and like my video. Thank you.